What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ill Will, back with another cooking video. Yes, sir. I am attempting to make some butterbeer from Harry Potter, if you don't know. You know what I'm saying? So let me show you what we got. So I got my cream soda. You're gonna want 6 cups of cream soda. I'm making 2 batches. This is my first time making it, so I don't know. But you know what I'm saying? We got marshmallow cream, caramel syrup. Then I also have some brown sugar over there. Mom's using it for something else, so I gotta go grab it. And then I have heavy cream and condensed milk from my the whip topping. So first, what you want to do is get 6 cups of cream soda in a pan and freeze it for, I'll say, 2 hours. You know, doing this with one hand, so you know, bear with me. That's 4 cups, and we got 6 cups. I don't have to be careful with this. Now I gotta take it back to my freezer in the back because I don't have any room in my other freezer. So yeah. All right, so I couldn't find a butterscotch sauce, so I'm gonna have to make it my own. So you got brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of butter, heavy whipping cream, vanilla extract, hot. Hot. I gotta add some salt as well. Here we go. This is our butterscotch sauce. It's not quite done, but almost. Look at that consistency.